Every giant begins somewhere. Today, we step inside a factory where raw materials become powerful.
The journey starts with steel. Strong, heavy, and full of
Carve each piece with millimeter precision. No room for error.
thousands of tons of force transform flat metal into the bones of a truck.
The skeleton is born, weld by weld, joint by joint.
Automation brings speed, but human eyes still guard quality.
The chassis is the backbone. Everything else will depend on this foundation. Begin here, with every bolt torqued to perfection. An engine isn't just built, it's carefully assembled, piece by piece. The moment the truck gets its heart.
Power is nothing without control. The drivetrain delivers strength to form the nervous system of this machine.
Stopping power is just as important as speed.
Now the truck starts to look like something we recognize.
Comfort meets function, built for long hours on the road. Computers on wheels, and every system must speak perfectly.
There comes perfection. Every surface must be flawless. Robots move like dancers, laying down layers of protection and style. Time and heat lock in the finish that will face years of weather.
Now, everything comes together in one continuous flow.
Speed of the giant, built to carry tons of responsibility.
The machine breathes on its own.
It's checked, because reputation rides on reliability.
If it can survive this, it can survive the real world. Optional. It's engineered, tested, and proven.
Is measured and verified.
Delivery. Every truck gets the treatment it deserves.
Built a finished machine. Now they're ready for the road.
Behind every great machine, there's a team that made it possible.
And so, the journey continues. This truck's story is just beginning.